Hello friends, welcome to Oracle AI Database 26 AI New Feature Video Series. Before we start exploring the new features in the subsequent videos, I would like to note that all the features from Oracle 23C, 23 AI and 26 AI will be included in this Oracle AI Database 26 AI New Feature Video Series. The reason I am combining the features of 23C, 23 AI and 26 AI is because of Oracle's release roadmap. Essentially, it is the same database that has undergone rebranding and enhancement. With the latest rebrand, Oracle has transitioned to Oracle AI Database 26 AI version, but it remains continuation of 23 AI rather than a completely new product. Let us take a quick look at the version timelines. Oracle 23C was first released as a developer edition in April 2023. Following that, the general availability release of Oracle 23C version was available from September 2023 onwards. Then Oracle renamed the database as 23 AI, introducing AI features in May 2024. Following that, Oracle 23 AI was further rebranded as Oracle AI Database 26 AI with additional AI specific enhancement starting from October 2025 onwards. Even though the name has changed, the underlying architecture remains the same as in 23C and 23 AI. For that, Oracle provides a seamless patch-based upgrade from 23 or 23 AI to 26 AI version. No full upgrade is required. The support for the earlier 23 series database continues under the same support policies as 26 AI. I have already covered several of the new features in my earlier Oracle 23C new feature video series. With the rebranding, since the latest available version is Oracle AI Database 26 AI, that closely aligns with the 23C features, so I will be covering the remaining new features under this video series, that is Oracle AI Database 26 AI New Feature Video Series, including those features specific to AI functionality. Please stay tuned for the upcoming videos as we start exploring all the new features in detail, and thanks a lot for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or leave a comment in the comment section below. Thanks a lot.